the makeovers continue today, and we're honoring a grandmother and construction site manager from Los Angeles, California, Cheryl Bates. Let's meet her.
My name is Cheryl Bates, and I'm from Los Angeles, California. I have 2 sons, and I have 4 grandkids that I love so much. I assist the rehabilitation of distressed properties throughout South Central Los Angeles and just change the whole neighborhood. If you see me out in the field, you may not recognize me because I have a hard hat, steel-toed boots. I've been on ladders. I've carried doors. The job has to get done, and I'm not afraid. I'm a conservative dresser. I have several suits. My father always said that a woman should always have a good suit. My friends say, loosen up a little bit, show a little more cleavage, have something off the shoulder. Okay, so maybe they're right. I could use some help coming up with new ideas, new colors, something different. Can you help me?
Love with Cheryl, and her best friend of 30 years, Veronica Love, is here to see her BFF's transformation. Hello, Veronica.
Right here. Hi, Veronica.
Hi, Drew. Well, my goodness, you're like a beauty style maven yourself.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so do only like hot, fashionable people hang together? Is that the deal, you and your bestie?
Well, not really. You know, Sheryl is very conservative. I've always tried to get her to switch it up some. I have not seen her with anything but that blonde hair. I can't even remember her hair wearing dark hair. So I'm just so glad that she had this opportunity in hopes that this makeover will transition her into adding more style into her life.
We have a Drew Crew extraordinaire member, Brandice Daniel, and she is literally one of my favorite people. She has a company called Harlem Fashion Row, and Brandice is working her magic right now. And I am telling you, I would put myself in her hands, and I just love her and trust her, and I can't wait to see what she does by the end of the show.
The big reveal. So
As
cool.
we go to break, let's check out Cheryl and see how she's doing.
Hey, things are going great up here. So Cheryl and I were just talking, and one of the tips that I was just giving her is that so often we only think about what we're wearing in terms of the clothing, but accessories, that is where it's at, okay? So these, Cheryl, I'm not gonna tell you that these are what we might be wearing today, but accessories literally complete a look, and they are just as important as the clothing or the outfit that you're wearing. The other tip is, so often we think in order to be sexy, you know, we need to show a little cleavage, or we think that we need, you know, an off-the-shoulder top, but sometimes you can just wear a really amazing maxi dress with a slit, and you look just as sexy. So, Cheryl, I hope you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Drew Crew member Brandice Daniel is transforming our beautiful woman Cheryl, and I am so anxious to see the final look. I really am. Well, I have to say, I think that Cheryl has the most beautiful eyes, so I can't wait to see them in person. Come on out, Cheryl. Cheryl, whoa! Yes! You see it, right? You see it. She's feeling it.
Here, look. She is feeling it. So you see we changed the hair, right? The hair looks
here free.
amazing. And then, you know, Cheryl said that she likes conservative style. She wants to be conservative, so we didn't want to take her too far out of her comfort zone. However, we did give her this slit to show off those legs. and so what we did was we layered her look. So she came out with the blazer on, and then she has, this is actually a two-piece. So she has on this two-piece, which is a part of the Charles Harbison Banana Republic collaboration.
And then we also wanted to give her, she says she doesn't wear high heels anymore, right, Cheryl?
Right.
So what we did was we gave her a booty, which is just a low, flat heel. That is a great way to just take like your regular shoes, like to step it up a bit. And it's quite comfortable.
Yes.
And then with her face, what we wanted to do was just add more volume to her lashes and a pop of color on her lips and her eyes. And she just looks stunning.
How do you feel? I want to cry. Okay. I feel beautiful. I feel excited. I feel different because everything is different. And so I'm excited and I'm just honored. And every feeling that you can possibly think about it, that's how I feel right now. Thank you. Thank you. And I love Thank you.
I think that you look so stunning.
Thank you.
She looks absolutely beautiful.
Veronica! How about your stylish best friend? What do you think?
She looks beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
They really do. Thank you, Brandice Daniel. Follow Harlem Fashion Row. It's one of my favorite Instagram sites, and it just shows all of Brandice's beautiful work and what she does with designers. Cheryl Bates and Veronica Love, I love your friendship. Thank you for letting us be a part of that. And everybody, thank you for choosing to spend your time with us. We make this show for you, so take it with